because of our experience in the game, especially this one, after winning 9 consecutive games, so there's a little bit of pressure in the quarterfinals because we cannot afford to lose. And we have a bad start, maybe they're feeling the pressure, because 9 games is not really a job for us. It's a lot of hard work and sleepless night for the players because of the things we're doing. But sabi ko nga, because of the experience, they know how to win, especially in the second half. We're down, we're struggling in the first half because give credit to Index, they are really prepared, especially in the first quarter. We're not able to execute our game, but the likes of Junior Pajato, he did not score a lot in the first half, but come second half, he knows how to win it. And then, yun. And talaga isinacharge ko ito sa experience ng team.
Now, open the floor to questions from the media.
Coach, congratulations again, Pasco. Coach, you were now releasing at that time, opportunity adjustments, kung kasama ng mga time, how close yung shooting dito pa dyan ng third quarter?
I think in the first quarter, in the first half, talagang they mess up our rotation. But come second half, I changed a lot. I started Triano and Hap. And I'm so happy he performed right away because we know na Don is really what reliable natin, especially from the bench. If you notice, yung bench namin scored a lot better than the first figure namin. And talaga not a major adjustment, the only adjustment we made, we have to step up, we have to show our energy because the thing that they're doing is all pick and roll. I think 80% of their game is from pick and roll and the rest is transition offense. And then we're able to contain it in the third quarter and we're able to get the lead. And I think that's the story of the game.
Yung semi-finals ng first quarter ng games of second series. So, either team mahirapan kayo, anong outlook na doon sa semi-finals?
You're right, either of the team, it's really hard, although we beat them in the elimination, but semi-finals is a different whole game, and we have to, for the meantime, we will take a break, celebrate Christmas, because the next game will be on January 4, so we will program it how to practice well, because Negua and Converse, for me, it's really a contender tournament. And there's a lot of good players both in and then makikita natin na talaga yung lineup nila as really a formidable lineup and they're capable to win a championship. But in our case, we have to work hard and prepare hard para dito sa incoming semi-finals na.
Yun nga, 10 straight wins after